This is IFB, the web space with your dose of business and financial news. In full view, we're making your business our business.
Welcome to In Full View. I'm Marcella Palmer.
And I'm Ron Lucas.
We're bringing you the week's medium and small business news from our Wall Street IFB studio. Small business
news continues its ongoing coverage of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act.
This week, IFB took a look at the ARRA and understanding the small and medium business opportunities in the new green U.S. America is investing in green, renewable energy and products. A major part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act is a $29 billion provision of core energy efficiency programs and billions more for energy efficiency projects. The promise of fresh industry, new jobs, new opportunities back on U.S. soil has job seekers, investors, educators, and business owners trying to figure out where they fit in. Hundreds searching for answers came to the Green Jobs Summit, hosted by New York City's Fashion Institute of Technology and Jane Tabachnik Marketing.